We're now remaining in this lane, then we're going down the A58M. So do you need to let people know which way you want to go?
Sorry.
Down here. And now we're on a slip road. We're going to join the A58. So we need to signal so everybody knows which way we're going.
Now?
Yes. Keep to the left of your lane and travel at a speed that you're in control and you can match their speed going onto the main carriageway. Make regular mirror checks and keep to the left of your lane. If it's safe, increase your speed and go. Just remember that the speed that you're travelling at was 25 and everyone's doing 40. So you're going to struggle to meet them unless you meet a driver that's going a lot slower.
Speed, yeah.
You need to be closer to the speed limit. And then if it's not safe, you wait. If it is safe, you match their speed and come onto the carriageway. I mean, that car's not going to struggle because it's a sports car. We will do.